Ebusiafo wa from VJ Paco Rich, and today I'm here to share with you the Ntumfu legends of Ghana. Obi no can say me there, nothing lasts forever. Apart from a bochini spray and a kakoni scent, nothing will last forever. Mama more the list of the legends Ntumfura Obiwa overthrown one. We all know the TV series Biba TV3 and one friend Ezibana Zizi.
I'm there. I feel not true BEC and I'll true in Charlie. Yeah, we here. Oh, hey, I put on a high hill. Hey, if you have got the on break you test cone.
Eziban. Our own legend and superstar Kwame Dzokoto. Ozinambre chedo zizimo yankofa kono. Right from there and from nowhere, the son of Marami Ansel no fi kwanchi krom, SDK bejinizin bedidi wagana mo ya kono the found the ambassador. Little did we know that besiaba odze gobe benya ni breakthrough efua nash.
God have mercy upon us.
Efua Nash has been sitting on the throne as the queen of Ntumfu Ghana. But before I finish about she has been dethroned by the king, oheneba, Jude.
The whole day needy, the whole day. I come home for my time volume. Okay. We don't see much over. I feel I'm one singer. Me must find me.
Entrabuko. It's a catcher there. So I won't bring a result to the fullest because the next day there is another legend coming to overthrow you. And see, don't think that fame will be on forever. One brain also will be so number basso for Fajan Nankomo.
All be lie. If it's set up.